like 1,000 diamonds strewn across the blue blanket. I lean against the wind, pretend that I am weightless, and in this moment I am happy, happy. I wish you were here. I wish you were here. I wish you were here. I lay my head onto the sand. The sky resembles a backlit canopy with holes punched in it. I'm counting UFOs. I signal them with my ladder, and in this moment I am happy, happy. I wish you were here. I wish you were here. I wish you were here. Wish you were The world's a roller coaster, and I am not trapped in. Maybe I should hold with care, but my hands are busy in the air saying, I wish you were here. I wish you were. I wish you were here. I wish you were here. I wish you were. To give us some space, you know that we could raise this place and leave you without a trace. Stormtrooper, why are you here? The youth them getting restless and they don't want you near. Said you're watching us, it's so improper. We've seen your kind before, we call it informer. Said Stormtrooper, where will you go? This world, she no like you, so you better stay low. And up from the mountains and out from the trees, that is where you come from. You crawl like the one disease. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. So now you pass me the laser beam, and you want me to join the team. Well, I'm not used to these kind of things, but this is what the evil brings. Let me tell you about the fire. You bring the waters up above. I bring my favorite people, and I'm bringing all my love. You on the battle? Well, don't look very far. You wanna fight somebody? Come fight the superstar. Ooh. was back at home with Pepper, burning Pacololo, not even noticing the weather. So far and so alone, a million light years away. Stormtrooper, back up from my door. I've got my blaster set, I'm ready to start a minor war. This won't be the day you were hoping for, so just walk away, walk away. Better run now, you are done now, cause you're standing in a bad man's town, boy. It's time to get back to my daily routine. Have a beer in the bar on Tatooine. You take away everything, make my people scream out loud. Just bring it back, Lord, just bring it back. You mess it up and you rearrange. Open your eyes and turn the page. Just bring it back.
Holy crap!
Make my people scream out loud. Just bring it back, Lord, just bring it back. You mess it up and you rearrange. Open your eyes and turn the page.
Is this your first time? Yeah. Are you serious? Yeah. This is my first time. I did nothing but fall.